So today we have a 2014 Ram 1500 4x4, and as you can see, the left headlight is working, right headlight is not working. So I'm going to set this camera up so you can see what's going on. So the customer said they would be driving with the headlight off, they'd hit a bump and the headlight would come on. So right now the headlight is off, and if I go to this connector and just move the wires gently, there it's on, off, on, off, on, off. So one of these wires is broken on this side of the connector. I think it's this one here. It also has codes in the integrated power module for the headlight circuit, but that's understandable because it sees an open circuit. So it's on now. I think we're going to just eliminate this connector, although it makes it easier to service the headlight. If you need to replace a headlight bulb in here, you simply unplug this connector. There you can actually see it going on and off just by moving this wire. So there's a break in this wire. So testing pin grip on these terminals, this one feels pretty good, but this middle ground pin is very loose. I think I'm just going to eliminate this connector. As much as it makes it easier to service the headlight, if you eliminate the connector, hardwire it, it won't be a problem in the future. So I've hardwired it with butt splices and shrinkable or unsealed butt splices, and then put heat shrink over it, soldered and heat shrunk them. The black wire goes to black, the white blue trace goes to white red on the harness, and the white green trace goes to white gray on the harness. Pay attention to that. These are what I'm using for splices. They are just perfect actually for this size wire. So I'm going to tape this up, and as you can see, it's no more difficult to service this headlight without that connector in there. You can set it up on top of the vehicle. Got more than enough wiring here. So I think it'll be fine. And no connector involved. Well, connectors are kind of like girlfriends. If you don't have one, you'll never have a problem with it. So while you're in here, check the terminals on these connectors going onto the actual bulbs, because they sometimes overheat and melt. And I've already looked at them. They're nice and clean and nice and tight grip, no signs of overheating. So the harness is taped up now. We're going to put it back together.